Essential oils for common colds and flu. Generally, getting influenza means growing self-care while you wait for an infection to operate its course. One effective approach to self-care is applying essential oils like a topical rub or aromatherapy. These strongly scented oils might help release your flu symptoms, especially by clearing your nasal passage and reducing headaches. Some oils might even have antiviral benefits to assist in treating infections and lower fever. Keep studying to learn to begin using these oils and which of them for influenza. Lime. Lime is antiseptic, antibacterial, and antiviral, three important qualities that can help your defense mechanisms protect against germs. Lime can also be advantageous for fevers. Because of its antiallergenic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic substance, it can benefit release and lower fever. Peppermint. Advantageous for that respiratory system, peppermint provides effective relief for nasal congestion, bronchial asthma, bronchitis, along with the common cold and cough. If you are feeling stuffed or cannot stop coughing, consider using a peppermint oil steam, by draping a towel over your head and inhaling the steam from the bowl of warm water, combined with a few drops of peppermint oil. Ginger. When you are feeling just a little sick, influenza might also make you feel just a little nauseous. Within this situation, you need to go for ginger oil. This could also soothe flu-related pains and aches.